In the last classes, we had discussed about the first and second person of the story, whose horse was it? Today, we will read about the third person of the story and its comprehension questions. So, dear students, listen carefully. Now we will start the lesson. Sir, may I ask him a question? The young man said. Yes, the officer said. Go on. The young man took off his turban. Quickly, he covered the horse's eyes with it. Then he said to the beggar, This horse is yours. You say, you know your horse well. Now tell me, which of its eyes is blind, the left eye or the right eye? The right eye. The right eye? Are you sure? No, it's the left eye. The young man turned to the officer and said, Sir, my horse's eyes are all right. It's not blind at all. Please look at its eyes. The officer took off the cloth. He looked at the horse's eyes. The horse was not blind at all. You are a thief, he said to the beggar. Come with me. I will put you in the prison. Okay, dear students, let's understand. Sir, may I ask him a question? The young man said. Here, when they reached to the king's officer, the young man said to the officer, Sir, may I ask him a question? राजांको कर्मचारी पाखरे भिकारी एवं युवक दुहें पहुँची सारा पर युवक जनक कहला सार अर्थात आज्ञा मु तांको गोटे प्रश्न पचारि पारिबी कि यस दी ऑफिसर सेड गो ऑन देन दी ऑफिसर said to the young man to ask a question to the beggar. The young man took off his turban. Quickly he covered the horse's eyes with it. माने टर्बान कहले होची पगड़ी साधारणतः देखियो गाँव लोक मैंने निजर गामुछा को पगड़ रूप मुंडे भिड़ी निजर काम बा मुंडे बांधि निजर काम करिथांती। तो युवकटी तार मुंडर पगड़ीटी खोलिला एवं सेही पगड़ी साहाय्य घोड़ार आखि दुईटी को बांधिदेला अर्थात घोड़ार आखिरे गामुछाटी को बांधिदेला। Then he said to the beggar. He means the young man said to the beggar. युवकटी भिखारी को कहला दिस हॉर्स इज योर्स यू से तुम्हें कहूछ जे ए घोड़ाटी होची तुमर यू नो योर हॉर्स वेल तुम्हें तुमर घोड़ाटी को भल भाव जानी थिबो नाउ टेल मी बर्तमान मते कह व्हिच ऑफ इट्स आईज इज ब्लाइंड यार आखि मध्यरु केउ आखिटी अंध द लेफ्ट आई और द राइट आई डाहाण आखि कि बाम आखि the right eye are you sure no it's the left eye as the horse was not the beggar was so confused to answer the young man's question so he couldn't answer properly. Okay, the young man turned to the officer and said, Sir, my horse's eyes are all right. It's not blind at all. Please look at its eyes. The young man turned to the officer. युवक जनक राजा कर्मचारी पाख गला एंड सेड एवं कहला Sir, my horse's eyes are all right. मोर घोड़ार आखि गुड़िक होउछि संपूर्ण रूपे ठीक। इट्स नॉट ब्लाइंड एट ऑल, आदौ अंध नुहे। प्लीज लुक एट इट्स आईज, यार आखि गुड़िक दयाकोरी देखंतु। द ऑफिसर टुक ऑफ द क्लोथ, ही लुक्ड एट द हॉर्सेस आईज। ऑफिसर व राजा कर्मचारी घोड़ार आखिर कपड़ा खोलिले। ही लुक्ड एट द हॉर्सेस आईज, से घोड़ार आखि गुड़िक देखिले। द हॉर्स वाज नॉट ब्लाइंड एट ऑल, घोड़ाटी आदौ अंध नथिला। यू आर ए थीप, ही सेड टू द बेगर। द किंग्स ऑफिसर सेड टू द बेगर दैट द बेगर इज ए थीप। राजा कर्मचारी बेगार को चोर बोली कहला, बा बेगार जनक जन चोर बोली कहले। कम विथ मी, मो सहित आस। आई विल पुट यू इन प्रिजन, मु तुमको जेल रे रखिबी। ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स कम टू डिस्कस द comprehension questions. The first question is, what did the young man do with his turban? युवक जनक ता टर्बान साहाय्य कौन कला? The young man covered the horse's eyes with the turban. Okay. The second question is, what did he ask the beggar? से बेगार को कौन पचारला? He asked the beggar to say which eyes of the horse is blind, the right eye or the left eye. Number 3, could the beggar answer his question? No, the beggar couldn't answer his question. Why? Because the horse was not his. Okay. Number 4, what did the young man say? युवक जनक कौन कहला? The young man said that his horse's eyes are all right. It's not blind at all. And also he requested to the officer to look at its eyes. Number 5, what did the officer do to find the truth? The officer took off the turban from the horse's eyes to find out the truth. The next question is, what happened to the beggar? The officer took the beggar and sent into the prison. Okay, dear students, today now we will stop our reading and we will discuss the rest portion of the story in the next class. Thank you.